What's all the fuss about lemon water? Is lemon water actually that healthy? Let's answer every question you might have about lemon water, its benefits, the best times to drink it, and more. First, let's talk about lemons. It's crazy how one fruit can be a nutritional powerhouse. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and flavonoids, which are antioxidants. One squeezed lemon provides around 21% of your daily value of vitamin C. But what about lemon water? That's the star of our video. Water itself is great for weight loss, but lemon water adds an extra advantage. It contains fiber in the form of pectin, which helps curb your appetite and keeps you away from snacking. Greater weight loss. Plus, having lemon water instead of sugary drinks helps you avoid all those added sugars and calories. So, lemon water equals greater weight loss. Like and follow for part 2.